Hi friends, this is Venki. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Let's go straight to today's video.
Hi friends, this is a video post on Saree organization. I'm someone who has plenty of saris, but I use them only once in a while. So I had to find some method by which I can organize and store all of my saris so that they always remain in good condition. So today I'm going to share that with you. In my previous videos, I shared my challenges with saris, memories with saris, my collection of office wear saris. So in case you've missed out any of those videos, I'll mention their links in the description box. Do check them out. I'm sure you'll be able to connect with me, relate with what I'm saying faster. So there are different methods for organizing and storing saris. I will show you the method that I have been following for the past few years. First thing is that you should never store saris and blouses together. The thing is, the sequins, the embellishment, the gungu or the tassels which appear on the blouses may damage your saris. So always keep your sari and your sari blouse separate. This is like the golden rule. I have purchased a separate storage bag for sari and for blouses. I find them very useful. So this is how I received them. It was a pack of 3. They are available in other colors as well. This is my second purchase. I already purchased a set of 3 storage bags probably last year, I think. Okay, so you can see that the material is good enough. The tailoring is also strong. It holds between 12 to 15 saris in one bag. Okay, and they have provided 2 zip with the runner here. So in case if something goes wrong with one zip, we can go with the other one. Okay. And the link to purchase this will be mentioned in the description box in case you are thinking of purchasing the same. So chalo, now let me show you how to keep the saris inside this bag. Okay, it is always a nice idea to keep the heavy saris below and the lightweight saris on top. And if you keep one sari in one direction, keep the next one in the opposite direction. So all together it will be balanced, or else what will happen is on one side, all the heavy part of the sari will heap like a mountain and the other side will go like a valley. We don't want that. So go on keeping saris one on top of the other in a crisscross pattern. Suppose you have a chiffon, crepe or saris which are very difficult to stay properly when folded, what you can do is you just keep a paper, preferably a butter paper or something in between that sari and then fold it. Okay, it would be better if you avoid keeping newspaper. Instead use plain white paper, because sometimes newspaper might shed its ink and it might get spread on the saris. We do not want a situation like that. Once in 6 months, or at least say once in a year, at least once in a year, you have to make it a point to air dry your saris in shade. Okay, don't expose them to sunlight as it may fade them out. So what you can do is just dry them in the shade. And in case if you have very sensitive saris, like pure silk saris, that is 100% pure silk saris and all, in that case what you can do is you can just put a white munda or a dhoti on top of that sari and then dry, then air dry them in the shade, because that will act like a protective covering. So here I have managed to keep 14 saris in one bag. My suggestion is don't jam pack these saris, instead keep them just enough. That is, if you feel you can fit one more sari in that bag, then stop, don't fit that one more sari in it. Okay, so what I've done is in one bag I've kept all my function wear saris, and in another bag I have kept all of my casual wear saris, or say office wear saris. Also I've put them in that. In the third one I have kept all the unstitched dress material, the dupattas, then all the material that I have bought for some tailoring in future. I put them in the third bag. One of the most important and useful tip that I can give you is always put some organic camphor along with one clove or peppercorn as pest control. You can see that try and use organic camphor as much as possible, because this will keep all the bugs and pests away. So though I don't wear these sarees regularly, I always like taking good care of them and organizing them very nicely, because when I feel like wearing them, I want them to be in very good condition, so that you always have that good feel, because every time I pick a saree, I have a very nice memory attached with it. It might be the wedding of any of my dear family member, or some nice occasion in my office, or something sweet. For some reason, saree has always been a reminder of something sweet happening. So I just want to make sure that they are in good condition, and next time when I'm going to need them, they are always ready for me. I hope you too are also looking for something like that. So friends, this is the storage bag that I have got for Saree Blouse. I will mention the link to purchase this bag in the description box. And regarding the price, both storage bag as well as both saree storage bag and blouse storage bag, right now I don't remember the price, but I'll just make sure that or you have a link from which you can get all the necessary info. So friends, this is how the saree blouse storage bag looks. You can see that they have given it a shape in a way such that we can fix the blouse in it in a very neat way. And you can see that I've put the blouses folded in a way such that the tassels stay inside. In case if you have heavy tassels or heavy gungroos, what you can do is, if it's gungroos or something like that, then you can take a kerchief, something like a kerchief or a piece of cotton cloth, and just wind it up. And on the other hand, if you have tassels, you can just take a tissue paper or a butter paper and just wrap it and put it in. So this is how I have, in 2 bags itself, almost all my blouses have fitted in well. So this is how it looks, and here also it fits around say 14 to 16 blouses in one bag. It's good, pretty good. So you can go for this option as well. So like this, I've organized my blouses separate from my sarees. So when it comes to sarees which are which have a lot of sequins, or which is made of very pure silk, so what I've done is I've put them separately in single bags. So you get bags like this also, in which you can put one single saree. So for a few sarees which are as I told you, which are very special, which I feel very special, so I've put them in single bags. So that is also a good option. And if you want a bag in which you want to put all bags together, then the one that I showed you previously, you can go with that as well. So one thing that I would like to tell you is, in case you have a saree that is 100% pure silk and all, really give it a thought before you put them in such kind of storage bag, because they have some amount of plastic. So I'm not sure how much would that kind of material will be able to breathe in this. I have not kept my wedding sarees in this bag. I've kept them separately. So think about it. But when it comes to all the other sarees, which are synthetic, or which have at least a small amount of synthetic material in it, you can very well put it in this. They will all stay in place. They'll all stay well organized. So this is a very good option, at least for people like me who find it very difficult to organize things. So in case you're also thinking of buying it, then give it a thought. It's your choice. Here you can see how well I've organized all my sarees in saree organization bags, and they are all very compact and very convenient to be put back in the almirah or the wardrobe. This entire process has been a little effort taking and time consuming. But let me tell you, all the effort that has been put into this will be really rewarded when you find all of these in good condition. And no more mess, this keeps your wardrobe mess free. So that's all about it.
So friends, I hope you found today's video helpful and interesting. Do share this video with your friends and family who have the same kind of interest. Don't forget to hit like, and do mention your thoughts in the comment box, and do subscribe to my channel. So until we meet next time, this is Ami Venki signing off. Ta-da! Bye!